Yo friends, so what's up? So welcome to my channel. Another day, another vlog. But this time I'm not going to open a box of whiskey, but I'm going to show you the most awaited question or the confusion among what tire should be put on Jimny. So recently I purchased my Jimny. You can see it. I've been driving it for almost 1500 kilometers now. I've been driving in Uttarakhand. And जो confusion का question होता है कि should we go with the stock tire, should we go with 215 or should we go with 235. So if you look closely, can you please come closer? So if you look closely, I have used Composer 235 and it has been giving me good performance. Although if you look at the back also, there is absolute no clearance issues, no problem with 235. Everybody wants a bit aggressive look on the tire. So this is basically Composer is a Chinese version for BF Goodrich. So the thread patterns is almost same as BF Goodrich. BF Goodrich is very expensive tire and generally it's not available. So I have gone for this, and this is 235 and it has been giving me absolute no problem. So whoever wants to ride their Jimny and go for tire change, I would absolutely tell them that please go for 235, because 235 gives us an aggressive look and it makes Jimny look a little bit bigger, right? So my recommendation is go with Composer 235. It is absolutely no problem tire and it is also a little bit budget friendly. But again, if you can also go for Yokohama all-terrain tire 235, but the thread pattern is not as aggressive as Composer. All right, my friends, so keep listening and keep watching, and thanks. Now my journey will continue. I am somewhere in Uttarakhand in a very remote area, and we have been doing a little bit of off-roading these days. So now I will continue towards the next destination. So see you soon. Keep watching. Long live the happiness. Cheers.